Hello everyone. Welcome to the next topic meditation for signal clarity. Have you ever noticed how noisy your mind can get? Thoughts overlapping, random memories appearing, small distractions pulling your attention away, and in all that noise, it becomes hard to notice anything subtle. So let's explore something simple but powerful. Meditation not as a ritual but as a tool for clarity. What does signal clarity mean? Think of your mind like a radio. There are always signals present. Your thoughts, your emotions, subtle impressions, external cues from people around you. But if there's too much static, you can't clearly hear anything. Meditation helps reduce that static, not by forcing silence, but by creating space. What meditation really is? Let's remove the confusion. Meditation is not controlling your thoughts, emptying your mind completely, becoming perfectly still. Meditation is simply observing your experience without reacting. That's it. And when you do this consistently, something interesting happens. Your mind naturally becomes calmer. And why this improves perception? When your mind is calmer, you begin to notice subtle changes in your thoughts, emotional shifts, external signals you missed before, because now you are not overwhelmed by internal noise. And this is where clarity begins. Let's do a simple meditation practice. Let's do this together. Sit comfortably. You don't need a perfect posture, just be relaxed. Now, gently close your eyes. If you are comfortable, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering, the air leaving. Don't control it, just observe. Now, thoughts will come. That's natural. When they do, don't fight them, just notice. And gently return to your breath. Stay here for a few moments. Now, slowly open your eyes. What you might experience at first restlessness, many thoughts, difficulty staying focused. That's completely normal. You are not doing it wrong. You are becoming aware of what was always there. And with practice, the mind begins to settle. Let's keep it simple. You don't need long sessions. Start with 3 to 5 minutes a day. Consistency matters more than duration. Even a few minutes of awareness can create noticeably clarity over time. Connection to your journey of telepathy. As your meditation practice grows, you will notice your focus improves, your emotional awareness deepens, your reactions become calmer, and most importantly, you begin to notice subtle signals more clearly because your mind is no longer crowded. You don't need to force silence. You don't need to chase stillness. You simply need to sit, observe, return gently. And over time, clarity will come on its own. In the next lesson, we'll explore another powerful support tool breath work for mental control and how your breath directly influences your mind. I'll see you there.